Dr. Sanjeev Bagai is the chairman of Nephron Clinic. He's been live. We've had many conversations with him ever since the outbreak of COVID somewhere in early 2020. It's been over a year now, Dr. Bagai. So many discussions, so many debates, and it's ironic that a year later we're still having debates. For some reason, trying to convince people about the need now to get vaccinated, the need now to accept and understand what 81% efficacy means. Dr. Bagai, why don't you start by telling all our panelists what a 81% efficacy means for the people of India who are getting vaccinated?
Good evening. Just allow me a couple of minutes and I'll just base all my discussion on pure medical facts as pure data proven, and keeping well away from all politics. I think this entire vaccination drive is the most important public health intervention which is ever known to mankind to prevent any outbreak such as a pandemic of SARS-CoV-2. The vaccine is having 4 basic endpoints. It's supposed to decrease the rate of transmission of the disease, which Covaxin does. It prevents infection. It prevents infection converting into disease. It prevents, the 4th endpoint is it prevents the critical cases landing up in ICUs, and it decreases mortality. Now, when you talk in terms of efficacy, efficacy is in a controlled trial group of 2 arms. That means the vaccinated arm and the non-vaccinated arm. And 81% is much above the other EUA-approved vaccines, such as Johnson & Johnson, which is 66, AstraZeneca, which is 70 to 72. But I will not hinge my discussion purely on efficacy, because efficacy does not convert in the real-world scenario, which is called as effectiveness. But having said that, efficacy of 81% is much more than what WHO is asking vaccines to share the numbers as anything more than 50%. This vaccine is extremely safe. It has been tested on more than 27,000 volunteers in 2 arms, the control arm and the vaccinated arm. It has only 6% of local side effects, no adverse reactions, no serious complications. It is a chemically killed whole viron vaccine. It is extremely safe. What is of paramount importance is, apart from a very good 81% efficacy in the controlled trial of phase 3 interim data, is that it also protects us as human beings against the mutant strains. What are the mutant strains? India has more than 10,000 mutations which have taken place. More than 150 documented patients with the genomic sequence of these mutations have taken place. This Covaxin prevents us because it is a whole viron which not only attacks against the S part of the virus protein, but also against the M and the N part. So it gives a distinct edge. It is extremely useful. We should not pit one vaccine against another vaccine. We will soon have a host of vaccines in India, more than 6 to 8 in the coming few months. I don't want any misinformation going to the common public. I want everyone to know that this vaccine has been pronounced to be safe, and there is nothing safer than safe. It has gone through the gamut of vigorous controls with regards to the ICMR. It has gone through the union government. The best intellectual minds of India have peered through the data, and they have approved it under EUA. It is being already used. There are no side effects seen even in the field as far as patient base is concerned. It's an extremely useful vaccine. I want everyone to be vaccine ambassadors to promote the race of this vaccine percolating down as quickly as possible, because we must prevent every preventable death because of this COVID pandemic in India.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.